Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Van On Company. It is Friday, May 13th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. This is the second day in a row that you've been able to see corn and wheat separate themselves since the bean pressure. So beans closed down 7 cents on the day, still being able to close up 28 3/4 cents higher on the week, coming off that big crop report on Tuesday where you saw that cut in new crop expectations for carryout levels. Corn was up 1 on the day. That puts it up about 6 cents on the week. And then over into the wheat market, it was up actually 67 cents on the day, but still down 8 cents on the week. So you had that pressure move forward into there for most of the week. The last couple of days, I think why you've been able to see corn and wheat separate themselves from beans is just the talk of some freeze coming through North Dakota, South Dakota, and parts of Minnesota, even all the way down to northern Iowa. It sounds like you're going to have about 2 to 3 hours of freezing temperatures, and there's a lot of corn and wheat sticking out of the ground. So you have that potential there. A lot of people don't think it'll stick around long enough, but you're building enough premium into this market. Monday's trade, actually Sunday night's going to be big on seeing, how long did these cold temperatures actually stick around? Did they get below freezing in some key areas? And that's really probably what's going to dictate trade coming in on Monday. You saw that pressure once again in the soybean market as you really probably extended these soybean prices too far for the time being on a fundamental side of things. It'll be interesting to see what Managed Money did over the last week to week, coming in here to see if they extended their buying. They're not that far from record long. And so, you found that pressure, like I said, still on the week closing up over 28 cents higher. So you had that there. There are some talks of some issues going on in China for corn piles. The demand has been extremely strong for soybeans, so there's enough news out there, but the issue you're fighting with right now is planting's actually going really well. Now it's looking like the 6 to 10 and 8 to 14 day forecast is very favorable. You're looking at, I think, above average temperature in both of those, and then a little bit of precip in the extended 8 to 14 day. The 6 to 10 looks like below average for those really wet areas, so you should be able to get rolling on planting very well moving forward, especially if you get some heat to dry it up and then move forward. So everything's looking good there. You did find some pressure into the meats, both live cattle, feeder cattle closing down just slightly lower, lean hogs as well. And what you had really going on there, I think, is negative outside markets. The dollar was extremely high, up 55 cents, and then crude and the Dow were down hard. Actually, the Dow was down over 180 points, so that lends a little bit of pressure. So we'll see how Managed Money reacted over the last week coming in this afternoon, and then they'll probably see between that and weather and the extended forecasts how you're going to trade and open up on Sunday evening. Have a great weekend, everyone. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.